Welcome back to the channel Auto Cars Land. Today, we're diving into the exhilarating world of Italian engineering and luxury with the 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS, a car that continues Ferrari's legacy of front-engine V12 convertibles with jaw-dropping performance and unmistakable style. If you're a fan of speed, sound, and pure driving emotion, this is one ride you'll want to know everything about. The 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS is the convertible version of the legendary 812 Superfast, and it carries forward the heart-pounding performance of its coupe sibling while adding the thrill of open-top driving. It's powered by a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine that roars to life with 789 horsepower and 718 Nm of torque. Ferrari has stuck with this classic V12 layout, a decision that sets the 812 GTS apart in a world increasingly filled with turbochargers and electric motors. It's a celebration of old-school Ferrari power and emotion. With a 0 to 100 km/h time of just 3.0 seconds and a top speed of over 340 km/h, the 812 GTS delivers supercar-level performance. The engine revs to a spine-tingling 8,900 revolutions per minute, creating a symphony of sound that's even more intoxicating with the roof down. It's not just about numbers, it's about the visceral experience that only a naturally aspirated Ferrari V12 can offer. The retractable hardtop opens in just 14 seconds, even while driving at speeds up to 45 km/h. This allows drivers to enjoy the best of both worlds, the coupe-like rigidity and the freedom of a convertible. Ferrari has engineered the roof mechanism so well that it doesn't compromise the car's aerodynamics or design. Even with the top down, the 812 GTS remains perfectly balanced and composed. The design of the 2025-812 GTS is unmistakably Ferrari. Long, flowing lines, an aggressive front fascia, muscular rear haunches, and quad exhausts all combine to create a look that's as striking as it is functional. Every element of the bodywork is sculpted for aerodynamic efficiency. The rear diffuser, active aero components, and air intakes work in harmony to keep the car planted at high speeds, while still looking absolutely gorgeous from every angle. Inside, the 812 GTS continues Ferrari's tradition of combining race-inspired performance with high-end luxury. The cockpit is driver-focused, with a compact steering wheel that includes the famous Manettino switch, allowing drivers to adjust the driving mode on the fly. Premium materials such as leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum surround the cabin, creating a luxurious yet purposeful feel. While it's packed with technology like a digital gauge cluster and infotainment system, Ferrari keeps distractions to a minimum to maintain focus on the driving experience. One of the standout features of the 812 GTS is its handling. Thanks to rear-wheel steering, adaptive dampers, and Ferrari's side slip control system, the car feels incredibly agile for a front-engine grand tourer. The chassis tuning is spot-on, offering a perfect blend of comfort and performance. Whether you're cruising along the coast or carving through mountain roads, the 812 GTS delivers an unforgettable drive. For 2025, Ferrari has made subtle refinements to improve cooling, handling, and overall performance. Enhanced software calibration improves responsiveness, and minor tweaks to the aerodynamics offer better high-speed stability. It's not a revolutionary change, but rather a refinement of an already exceptional machine. Another thing that sets the 812 GTS apart is its exclusivity. Ferrari doesn't mass-produce their vehicles, and the 812 GTS is no exception. Its rarity adds to its appeal, making it not just a car, but a collector's dream. Each unit is customizable through Ferrari's tailor-made program, allowing owners to personalize everything from paint and upholstery to carbon trim and stitching. Of course, all this performance and exclusivity come at a cost. The 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS starts at well over $400,000, and with options, that price can climb significantly higher. But for those who can afford it, the 812 GTS is more than just a car, it's an experience, a statement, and a piece of automotive art. In a world where hybrids and EVs are taking over, the 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS is a reminder of what makes traditional supercars so special. It's raw, loud, beautiful, and engineered with passion. It doesn't apologize for being excessive, it embraces it. And that's what makes it one of the most thrilling Ferraris you can buy today. So, if you're looking for a car that combines the drama of a convertible, the power of a V12, and the elegance of Italian design, the 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS is the ultimate package. It's a true celebration of Ferrari's heritage and a love letter to driving enthusiasts everywhere. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing car content. This is Auto Cars Land 2025, and I'll see you in the next video.